So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to achieve this eyeliner eye makeup look. It is inspired by Madelyn Cline. I absolutely love her makeup. Whenever I see a picture of her pop up with a gorgeous makeup look, the liner ones on her just stand out so much to me. They look so gorgeous that I was inspired by them and wanted to do a tutorial to show you guys how I recreate that kind of liner look and how to achieve it on yourself. I'm going to do the tutorial in my bathroom. It's so much easier to get right up in the mirror and by those fine details. So keep watching and I'll show you guys how I do this Madelyn Cline eyeliner tutorial and the products that I use in it. Start off the eyeliner look. What I'm going to do is I have this, it's actually a brow pencil, but any thin liner pencil works, and it's in like a black brown color. So I'm just gonna trace my upper waterline with it. So it adds just some subtle definition. We like to just create a little pointed corner here. Madelyn Cline gave a pointer on her technique for doing liquid liner, and she takes the bottom part of her eye and then goes up from there, and that's kind of the angle you should be doing. I'm gonna get in really close here. So I'm gonna use just this pencil. Make sure, place the liquid liner in the same spot that I kind of want. I like it to be a bit higher off of my actual crease of my eye because I want my eye to be lifted. And then I'm gonna extend this all the way, kind of connect in a really soft way. I actually really like this brow pencil as a liner because it smudges really nicely. I'm not going to extend it too much in just the shape of my eye. I kind of prefer just doing the end. Very happy with how that liner turned out. I feel like it gives off those Madelyn Cline vibes. I'm gonna do my other eye to match and then put on some mascara like she likes to apply, and then we have our finished Madelyn Cline eye, and I'll just finish up my lip as well and give you guys the final look. This is my final makeup look of the day with my full finished makeup, lip, mascara, and the Madelyn Cline eyeliner. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it super useful, and try it out for yourself. I absolutely love this eye look. As always, don't forget to head over to holl_ward on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And don't forget to like this video down below and follow me here at holl_ward on YouTube. I post every single week with brand new beauty reviews and tutorials for you. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.